Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over possible issues in your house with the range not working, anything in your kitchen, or anything that's near water. I specified near water because some houses, depending on the construction, have a GFI or resettable outlet. Other houses, they might have a normal outlet like this. You know, you see them all throughout your house. That's fine, but we're going to focus on this guy right here today. The reason why I bring this up is a lot of times people won't get power to their unit. My parents experienced a similar thing, almost bought into an appliance. Long story short, this outlet tripped. If you come on over here, we have a reset button and a test button. So test button's hit, reset popped out, boom, I'll do that again. You just hit reset and that's to power your appliance on. Let's say after a storm or after just, you wake up in the morning, your range is off, there's no lights, there's no nothing, nothing's working. Check your outlet or check your breaker box. If there's more issues there, if that's not working, then you want to call someone, have them bring out appliance tech, have them look at it. You might have other issues. That's just one thing you can check, like I said, to kind of help you fix your appliance so you don't have to go out, spend money, go out into a store with other people if you're worried about that with everything going on. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.